a fancy story. No, I've got time to chant of reality. Yes, what? Please, officer, this place is too dark for me. Yeah, I'm an innocent man and I wanna be free, free. What? No matter what the crisis may be, I know I'd rather to be free. I'd rather to be hungry and free, more than to stay among the chink and the flea. And every night and day, mosquito biting me. I'd rather to be hungry and free, free. Please, officer, this place is too dark for me. What? I'm an innocent man and I wanna be free, free. Yeah, no matter what the crisis may be. Yeah, I never get no beating from my father. No, no. And now I got to do respect to the water. Yes, sir. Whoa. Why you doing this to me? So long you take me from my home. Mommy and daddy are longing to see me. So set me free, Babylon, set me free. Set me free, free. I got no time to sing a fancy story. No, I've got to chant of reality. Please, officer, this place is too dark for me. Yeah, set me free now. Whoa. You know I just can't take no more.